Well, welcome back, mini truckers, mini truckettes. We got this 94 Honda Acty in here. Started out as a crank no start. We've gone through several different things in this truck. We started out with fueling issues, and that was the biggest issue with the truck. So we got diagnosing why the fuel pump wasn't working. The relay wouldn't turn on at all. We even had it out and bench tested the relay. Relay was bad. It wouldn't click or do nothing. So replaced the relay, and the pump itself was extremely weak. It would spit a little bit of gas, not very much at all was coming out in comparison to what the pump should be doing. So we replaced the pump and still wasn't getting fuel. So the next thing was pull the carburetor off and see what was happening inside the carburetor. And it was just full of corrosion. Most definitely one of the worst carburetors you could imagine with corrosion. I don't know if they ran ethanol gas in it or if it just set up for a very long time with bad gas. Whatever the case was, it was bad. It was not in good shape. So obviously we did a full tear down on the carburetor, cleaned it up, and put a carb kit in it, put it back on the truck. And then we started having issues with intermittent power supplies to certain weird things. So we put a stereo and speakers in here for the customer, and sometimes the stereo wouldn't turn on. And then we noticed that the pump started not turning on intermittently. So we replaced the relay, replaced the pump. We know both of those are good. But now it's got a bad ignition switch, or it had a bad ignition switch, and the more we messed with it, actually the worse it's been getting. So you turn the ignition switch on right now, the stereo may or may not turn on. The fuel pump relay, it's getting to where it's rare that it gets power to turn on the pump. So once that ignition switch comes in, I'll get it switched out. It should be today or tomorrow. Should be here. But I think the relays or the fuel solenoids for the carburetor are working and turning on with the key switch still. So all I have to do is jump the relay, turn the fuel pump on, should be getting fuel to the carburetor, and then we can fire this thing off. We did a timing belt and a water pump on it. The customer wanted us to check it out. I said it doesn't have any signs that it's been changed, which it didn't. It didn't have any stickers in there. You couldn't tell back here if any of the bolts had been taken out. But it had been changed one point in its life because it wasn't a 30-year-old belt, maybe 10 or 15-year-old belt. So some point in its life, it's had a belt changed. But it looks like it's had the same factory water pump on it this whole time because it blended in perfect with the engine for discoloration. And it also had some green discoloration around it too, where you could tell the coolant was starting to seep out of the weep hole or around a seal or something there. So new timing belt, new water pumps on it, full tune up, plugs, wires, cap, rotor, all that stuff. And we are set back in time, and all we got to do is get fuel to that carburetor and we can hear this thing run. Another thing I got to do is put oil back in it, which in order to pull the covers for the timing, you got to pull the oil stick, and that is going to leak all your oil out. So do oil change on it, put a new filter, new oil in it, and put fuel to her. This thing should fire right off. So hopefully the next video will be an updated video of this thing rolling out of the garage, or something of that matter. I guess I'll get to work, get some things done on this thing, and other than that ignition switch coming in, we're just about done with it. So we can get this one out, get the next one in, and go from there. So we will get back at you here in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, just do it. Think about it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps support our channel, and helps us grow. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, comment something about this truck, and we will see you on the next one.